Good day, everyone. Welcome to our exciting day of learning about science. Today, we're going to explore the changes that occur on the Earth's surface as a result of earthquakes. Are you ready to expand your knowledge? Let's start with a fun and interactive Sci-spelling activity. I will provide you with a list of words that you need to spell out. Let's work on pronouncing each word fluently and comprehensively to better understand their meanings. Earthquake. 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 E A R T H Q U A K E. Earthquake. Focus. 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 F O C U S. Focus. Epicenter. 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 E P I C E N T E R. Epicenter. Magnitude. 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 M A G N I T U D E. Magnitude. Intensity. 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 I N T E N S I T Y. Intensity. Good job. You are a great Sci-speller. Now, let me ask you a question. Have you ever experienced an earthquake? If so, where were you and what did you feel? Indeed, the Philippines has a long history of earthquakes due to its location on the Pacific Ring of Fire or Circum-Pacific Belt, a region known for high seismic and volcanic activity. On August 17, 1976, a magnitude 7.9 earthquake struck the Moro Gulf region in Mindanao, killing at least 5,000 people. The deadliest earthquake in Philippine history occurred on July 16, 1990, in Luzon, with a magnitude of 7.8 on the Richter scale. It resulted in the deaths of around 1,600 people and caused widespread damage. On February 6, 2012, a 6.9 magnitude earthquake struck the Visayas region, killing at least 51 people and causing significant damage. On April 22, 2019, a 6.1 magnitude earthquake struck Luzon, killing at least 18 people and causing damage to buildings and infrastructure. On January 15, 2021, a 6.7 magnitude earthquake hit Davao Occidental, killing at least one person and causing damage to buildings and roads. An earthquake is a natural event that occurs when two tectonic plates, which make up the Earth's crust, move against each other. This movement causes vibrations and shaking of the ground, which can be felt by people and can cause damage to buildings and infrastructure. An earthquake has three main parts or anatomy: the focus, the epicenter, and the fault. The focus is the point within the Earth where the earthquake begins. It's sometimes called the hypocenter. The epicenter is the point on the Earth's surface directly above the focus. A fault is a fracture or break in the Earth's crust where tectonic plates move or shift against each other, resulting in an earthquake. Meanwhile, a seismologist is a scientist who studies earthquakes and their effects. They use seismometers, which are instruments that measure ground motion and seismic waves caused by earthquakes. The movement of the mass in the seismometer is then recorded as an electrical signal and displayed on a seismogram, which helps seismologists to understand the characteristics and patterns of seismic waves and to locate earthquakes. In the Philippines, the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, PHIVOLCS, is the primary agency responsible for monitoring and responding to earthquakes. They use a network of seismometers and other instruments to detect and measure earthquakes throughout the country. Magnitude and intensity are two measures used to describe the strength and severity of an earthquake. Magnitude refers to the amount of energy released at the earthquake's source. Magnitude is measured using the Richter scale. It is represented by Arabic numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the other hand, intensity measures the effects of the earthquake on people and the environment. Intensity is measured using the modified Mercalli intensity scale. It is represented by Roman numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the Philippines, the intensity of an earthquake is determined using the PHIVOLCS Earthquake Intensity Scale, PEIS. 1. Scarcely perceptible. Perceptible to people under favorable circumstances. Delicately balanced objects are disturbed slightly. Still water in containers oscillate slowly. 2. Slightly felt. Felt by few individuals at rest indoors. Hanging objects swing slightly. Still water in containers oscillates noticeably. 3. Weak. Felt by many people indoors, especially in upper floors of buildings. Vibration is felt like one passing of a light truck. Dizziness and nausea are experienced by some people. Hanging objects swing moderately. 4. Moderately strong. Felt generally by people indoors and by some people outdoors. Light sleepers are awakened. Vibration is felt like a passing of heavy truck. Hanging objects swing considerably. Dinner, plates, glasses, windows and doors rattle. 5. Strong. Generally felt by most people indoors and outdoors. Many sleeping people are awakened. Some are frightened, some run outdoors. Strong shaking and rocking felt throughout building. Hanging objects swing violently. 6. Very strong. Many people are frightened, many run outdoors. Some people lose their balance. Motorists feel like driving in flat tires. Heavy objects or furniture move or may be shifted. Small church bells may ring. Wall plaster may crack. 7. Destructive. Most people are frightened and run outdoors. People find it difficult to stand in upper floors. Heavy objects and furniture overturn or topple. Big church bells may ring. Old or poorly built structures suffer considerable damage. 8. Very destructive. People are panicky. People find it difficult to stand even outdoors. Many well-built buildings are considerably damaged. Concrete dikes and foundation of bridges are destroyed by ground settling or toppling. 9. Devastating. People are forcibly thrown to ground. Many cry and shake with fear. Most buildings are totally damaged. Bridges and elevated concrete structures are toppled or destroyed. 10. Completely devastating. Practically all man-made structures are destroyed. Massive landslides and liquefaction, large-scale subsidence and uplifting of landforms and many ground fissures are observed. It is science trivia time. Did you know the Philippines experiences about 20 earthquakes a day, on average, with most of them too weak to be felt by humans? There are two types of earthquakes: tectonic earthquakes and volcanic earthquakes. Tectonic earthquakes occur when the Earth's tectonic plates shift or move against one another. Volcanic earthquakes occur when molten rock or magma moves beneath the Earth's surface, causing ground shaking and vibrations. Let us answer the following questions. What is an earthquake? What is the difference between the focus and the epicenter of an earthquake? How can you differentiate between magnitude and intensity? Why does the Philippines experience both tectonic and volcanic earthquakes? Directions. Label the anatomy of an earthquake and complete the sentence. For the next activity, choose the letter of the correct answer.